Hello everyone and welcome to our new YouTube channel Snacks and Steaks. I hope you guys enjoyed our previous videos and learned something from it. I hope you guys also subscribe and like if you happen to like the videos. Also don't hesitate to comment if you happen to wanna see me cook something in particular. Alright guys, so this is the beautiful porterhouse calf steak. It comes from the small cow, the part of the lower loin. So this is the tenderloin cut and this is the strip steak, and actually the bone ends here, not like the T-bone steak. The T-bone steak extends till the end. Alright guys, so now we're gonna actually just salt and pepper it. We're gonna just mix them together. Add it all over the steak. Now for the other side. Alright guys, so I took my steak out of the fridge after 4 hours and then I let it sit in the room temperature for an hour, and I preheated the grill for like 2-3 minutes at high heat. Now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil, just a tiny bit. We're gonna use the brush to kinda brush it around. Okay guys, now we're gonna put the steak on the grill. As you can see, the smoke is here. And slowly press a little bit. Alright guys, so while the steak is cooking, I'm gonna do a basting mixture on the side. I'm gonna use 1 piece of garlic, 1 nice cube of about 15 grams of butter in. Let it cook. Press a little bit. We're gonna cook the steak on each side for about like 3 minutes. Alright guys, so I just flipped the steak, as you can see. Now we're gonna add our piece of garlic. So right now I'm gonna just cut it into 3 pieces, just to let that garlic cook faster. I'm gonna add a little bit of dried rosemary and 3 pieces of dried laurel. Right guys, so after you cook the basting mixture here, we're gonna add some of it on each side of the steak and leave it for 1 minute. And then we're gonna finish it in the oven. Alright guys, so I preheated the oven at 200 degrees. And then I'm gonna put my steak in for 10 minutes. Alright guys, so I took it out and let it rest for about 15 minutes. Now I'm gonna cut it. Side. Alright guys, like I said, this is the tenderloin, this is the strip steak. Let's cut the tenderloin first. Here we are. It's about medium well. It's great for a change. If you guys don't like the medium well or a well done, just go for 7 minutes or 6 minutes instead of 10 minutes. about medium well to well done. Alright guys, let's have a bite. I prepared the pepper sauce here. If you wish to know the recipe, just check our YouTube channel. You will find it out. Now let's add our pepper sauce all over the steak. Now let's have a bite. This is the strip steak. I'm telling you guys, this is one of the best recipes and cuts I've ever eaten in my life. It's really good. The steak also works with the pepper sauce. If you guys wish to know a great recipe for rice too, I could post it. If you wish to see it, just comment the comment area and I'll do it for you guys. Let's try the tenderloin. That's perfection. If you guys don't like well done though, you just have to remove like a few minutes. So I did like a 10-minute at 200 degrees. You can just go for 6 minutes at 200 degrees. That's gonna give you like a medium well. I just wanted to change for a bit. I usually eat them about medium rare to medium. So if you guys also like it medium well, just go for 200 degrees at about 7 to 8 minutes.